Today I'm making a dish called greens rice or hortorizo. It's part of the Ikaria way of eating and cooking. So let's get started. I've got Swiss chard and spinach here. You can use almost any sweet green, and you can also use the stems. I like to feel the texture of the leek when I cook. As soon as the pan gets a little hot, we're going to add some olive oil. The garlic. Keep stirring until they begin to lose volume. And now I'm just going to cover this, let it cook. Okay, this is looking really good. I'm turning the heat off. Okay, ready to serve this delicious hortorizo or greens rice. And we're ready to try this. It's absolutely delicious. It's got the aroma of good health, this dish.